Hey everybody, welcome back to Heathen Intentions. We're going to go ahead and get some cards out here, see what kind of messages want to come through. See if we can get any kind of guidance. Okay, we have the Hermit, the Eight of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. I feel like I feel lost. I feel like this is somebody who is going inside. Searching for something. I feel like they're searching for a way out with this Eight of Swords. I feel like you're searching for a way out. The Nine of Wands here, this is someone who's really been through a lot. Possibly stepping away from the noise. There's some kind of mental restriction. There's something that's holding you back, but it's your own fear, your own doubt, maybe your own programming. Someone here is tired. They're so tired. They're very cautious about who they let in right now. Whoever this message is for, you're strong. You're so strong. You're very, very spiritually connected. You have strong guides around you. I feel like you're withdrawing to understand yourself. You're confronting these mental fears, gathering strength to keep you going. The Nine of Wands is like a threshold card. It's a breaking through. Four of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. With this Four of Wands underneath the Hermit, this is some kind of stability. Your inner work is going to lead you towards creating a more secure foundation. We have a new path, a new opportunity here once we break out of this mental prison. And then the Six of Pentacles here is a rebalancing. I feel like somebody here has been over-giving, over-helping, people-pleasing. This is what has them stuck in this energy, in this Eight of Swords energy. You feel used, you feel betrayed, you feel like you have helped other people out so much, but that energy is not being returned to you. This is somebody who's reclaiming their power, reclaiming a power that they didn't realize they lost. Reclaiming it quietly, patiently, privately, I just heard. This isn't a sad energy. I said I feel lost, but it's not in a sad way. I feel like this withdrawal is for your own sanity. Somebody here has realized that they've put themselves in this position time and time again. This is a lesson. This is a lesson that they've struggled with for a long time. This is somebody reclaiming pieces of them. Pieces of yourself that are scattered within. You're being asked to trust your inner voice, your inner wisdom. To loosen the ties that are keeping you bound. The self-imposed limitations. To take a deep look at that. I feel like that's the energy you're already in. That's why you're pulling inward. That's why the Hermit is here. This is you taking a good look at yourself, your mindset, your rules to life. This feels like a soul who's walked in the dark for a long, long time, overgiving, people pleasing for so long that they've actually forgot who they are. But this energy is coming back to you. Once you take a good look at this and you realize how strong you are, you feel defeated, you feel betrayed, you feel let down, you feel tired. You're so tired. But you're still standing. Still moving forward. Still willing to take a look at this. Still willing to get back to good, to learn something new. It's like lighting this lantern is what's shining a light on these fears, these doubts, these limitations that we have imposed on ourselves. I just heard the answers are all inside. I know, that's cliche. I just heard the answers are all inside. The Nine of Pentacles wanted to flip out while I was shuffling with the Ace of Swords piercing that veil. But the answers are all inside. You don't need external permission. You don't need external interference. You don't need anyone to tell you the way. You know the way. Page of Swords, learning to wield that power. And the Ace of Wands, again, with the new opportunity, new passion, new path, something that lights you up, something that you love, something you're very passionate about. Four of Cups fell out. And I'm feeling with the Four of Cups, that's like a discontentment. Like you're not happy with what you have, not happy with where something ended up. I also feel an acceptance. Like coming out of the Five of Cups with that loss, with the hurt, with the anger. This is something you've already accepted. That's why you're taking the time to go within. And after this struggle is where this balance comes in. You start getting a return on that energy you've put out. Maybe not from those people, not from the ones that hurt you. They're going to continue to hurt you until they learn their lessons. But this is a reset for you, an internal reset. I can feel someone's guides here very strongly. They're asking to stop putting yourself in this position. So I don't know what that means. I don't know who that's for, but that's what I'm hearing is stop putting yourself in this position. You know, then there's the Hierophant. Learn your lesson. Whenever we're in an energy where we people please and we overgive and we're doing anything we can to help everybody out at any given time, things get out of balance very quickly. You know, once you start overgiving to people, oversharing with people, they assume you just have things in abundance. They assume that they can take whatever they want. And it doesn't matter, and it does matter. That's how you get in this energy. You know, that's the balance. That's how you get yourself stuck in this mental fuckery. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one right here. Whoever this reading is for, good job, for one. You've come to a lot of realizations. You're seeing where your own mindset and your own fears and doubts are lining you up with these situations that you keep finding yourself in. And that's a hard lesson, you know, it's a hard lesson whenever we learn that it's us that's doing it. You know, all we're doing is trying to help everybody that we possibly can, but everything is out of balance, everything is out of whack. We end up feeling used and depleted and defeated. And realizing that is the energy that we're creating for ourselves is always a tough one to see, you know. It's always hard to see. It's like you expect somebody to appreciate and be grateful, but instead they just keep taking and using and taking. Okay, I'm going to leave this one here. Like, share, subscribe if you'd like to. If not, that's cool too. I'll see you next time.